Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2024 Honda Civic? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses essential fuses and relays for the vehicle's critical systems, such as the engine, cooling fans, and lighting. It is typically located near the battery for easy access. A labeled diagram on the fuse box cover helps identify each fuse's function. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box provides protection for various electrical circuits inside the vehicle. It houses fuses for systems like lighting, audio, and climate controls. Additionally, the sub-fuse box organizes auxiliary fuses for enhanced accessibility and maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.